What to do now before the market crashes? If the market crashes next week, what's your plan? Not Twitter opinion, not panic mode. I'm talking about real protection, real plays, and real wealth positioning, because recessions don't warn you. They just show up, and most people get crushed. Let me show you how to move right now so that crash becomes a setup, not a setback. Cash safety, emergency fund basics. First move, build your emergency fund. It sounds simple, but most people skip it. 57% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings. That's one car repair, one layoff, one late rent check from collapse. You want at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, minimum. Park it in a high-yield savings account. Look at SoFi, Ally, or Capital One at 4.25% plus APY. Keep it liquid. Don't invest it. That's your airbag when the economy hits the wall. Get credit while it's cheap. Next move, secure 0% APR credit today. Not tomorrow, not when you need it, now. Because banks cut back lending during a crash, and if your income drops or your credit dips, you won't qualify when it matters most. Look at Chase Freedom Unlimited. Look at Discover It. City Diamond Preferred. All offer 12 to 18 months of 0% interest. Use it the smart way. Don't max it out on junk. Use it to float your business, cover emergency months, or consolidate high-interest debt before rates spike. Cut your burn and multiply your margin. Now tighten up. Most people bleed cash from the inside. Audit your last 90 days of spending. Subscriptions you forgot about? Cut them. DoorDash 4 times a week? Cook. Gym memberships you don't use? Cancel. Every $200 per month you free up equals $2,400 per year you now control. That's your startup fund. That's your skill course. That's your freedom. Stack that cash, but don't just sit on it. Multiply it. Recession equals wealth transfer, not just collapse. Every recession has 2 kinds of people: those who get wiped out and those who buy in when everyone else is scared. During the 2008 crash, people who bought real estate, stocks, and businesses at a discount are now sitting on generational wealth. This isn't conspiracy talk. It's market cycles. So what do? Educate yourself now. Learn credit, investing, and cash flow. Build a side hustle that's not tied to your job. Stay liquid so you can move fast when others can't. The next crash is a reset, not the end. But only for those who are ready. While everyone else is binge-watching and blaming the system, you're here getting the game. That's the difference between being broke in a crash or being positioned to buy low, scale fast, and build wealth quietly. The smart don't panic. They prepare. And preparation is what we teach here at The Lesson. If you're not subscribed yet, fix that. This channel is built to make you recession-proof. No fluff, no hype, just real money plays for real people who don't want to get left behind, because the crash is coming. And when it hits, you'll either watch others win or you'll already be in position.